Hello, my name is Jay, and I'll be reacting to Ruann's Beep Beep. Don't know anything about her. I think she's a new person. Let's go. But I've been hearing some good stuff about her. I've actually saw the trailer for this, and I was supposed to watch it, but I forgot. Oh, has kind of like a refreshing sound to it. She looks familiar. Okay. I like the energy of it. That's a nice effect. Oh! So I thought this was gonna be like kind of cute, and she was like, "No, I'm versatile. Kill it." I really like her voice. I think she's like 16. I think. Oh, what was that video? Okay. Just these dance moves. Okay, so it's not a mirror. It's I like that. They have like the little range where they have the blocks in the windows. I thought that was like a mirror. Oh, it's a Did She Petty video, of course. I love the music video. And that's the mirror. Let's play it again. But yeah, I really like this. This is if this was her debut, like, wow. I'm curious as to what label she's with. But like them deciding to like debut her solo was, I think, a great choice. And considering like how young she is, and just like she's debuting like at this level, like she has the vocals, she has the dance, she has the presence. For what I've seen, I haven't seen any live stages for it, so for the video, she has the presence. It's like sky's the limits for her. Like, And like I thought the song was just gonna be like kind of like this and like this refreshing kind of really upbeat song, but I do like she switched it up for the rap, which she raps too, and it's just like she has everything. I'm curious to like what her background is. Like, was she mainly in vocals, or did she do dance, and then just kind of cross over? This okay. So when I see the mirror scene with her, like the white bob wig, this one, I always think of oh gosh, non muses. Oh gosh, I'm a terrible mind right now. Oh, was it? It wasn't glue. It was whatever. But yeah, this is a great song. I don't think it had that many reviews, or unless it's like posted somewhere else. But like, man, this is a good song. So, yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you soon.